Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add video overlay to a photo in the CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a photo to my CapCut PC and I'm going to add overlay. First, I'm going to find the video that I want to add. So I'm going to add this video overlay here. I'm going to download it first. Then you can just drag the video to the track to add it to the clips. In here, you can just adjust it, or you can use the blend option in the basic. In here, just lower the opacity like this. Or I'm going to show you the other videos. Okay, just add it to your clip, to your photo. Click on the plus icon, or you can just drag it the same like before. Okay. Just drag it like this. Then adjust the blending. Just lower the opacity like so. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.